This is me, Inayat Afridi from Leeds College, Peshawar. How are you today? Fine? I hope so. In today's lecture, I would cover important questions and concepts from second year English book, unit number 6 and lesson number 2. The lesson is about the word and terms Renaissance. Question number 1, what exactly we means by the term Renaissance? The term Renaissance means activity, spirit, and time of great revival of art, literatures, and learnings in the European histories. The next important concepts given in the lessons: when did the Renaissance begins? The Renaissance begins in 14th century and extended to the 17th century. It was the spirit of the humans being to explore various domains of the knowledge, including business, commerce, psychology, literature, linguistics, and trade. Let me take the general terms from the lessons. Who a Renaissance man is. A Renaissance man is a person having broad interest in various domains of the knowledge, including business, commerce, and many more domains of the knowledge. The next important concepts given in the lessons is that what exactly we means by the Middle Ages. Middle Ages, according to Webster American Encyclopedia, began from the 5th century and extended up to 1350. But according to some references, the Middle Ages extended from the 5th century up to 1350 and 1400. And the last important and technical concepts in the lesson, that what was the central city during the Renaissance period in the European history? The central in the business, the commercialized city in the Renaissance period at that time in the European history was the Italy, from which the business, commerce, and various domains of the knowledge expanded across the globe. Thank you very much for your time. All the best.